Hello guys and welcome back to Gadget Graphs 101 channel. Today we are going to be learning how to sign in your Google account. First of all, open up Setting app on your phone. The icon may look like gear or a setup slider. After that, scroll down, find and tap on Accounts and Sync. Scroll down and tap on Add Account. You will see a list of accounts type. Select Google from the list. Enter your Google email address in email or phone field and tap on Next. Enter your password in password field which is associated with your Google account and tap on Next. Google will ask for permission to access various features on your phone. Review Google Terms of Service and tap on I agree. Have completed these steps, you should be signed into your Google account on your phone. That's it guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe the channel and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.